a square having 5 centimeter side each. It means 4 5s are 20 centimeter is a perimeter of any square.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Now
Yes,
you
sir.
can see in a rectangle. Rectangle, you can see the perimeter means border. So border in which rectangle having property opposite sides are equal. For example, the breadth of this rectangle is A and the side length of this rectangle is B. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter means A plus B plus, you know very well, the opposite sides are equal means this side is also A and this side is also B. So we have to add this four side, A plus
Yes, sir.
B plus A plus B. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? 2A plus 2B. Are you get it? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Okay. Now you can see in a rhombus. Rhombus having all sides are equal. So perimeter of rhombus is also as per square. 4A means 4 into side. Now perimeter of parallelogram. Parallelogram and rectangles are similar because of opposite sides are equal. And opposite sides are equal means what is the perimeter of parallelogram? 2A plus
Yes,
2B. Right?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now perimeter of circle. First of all, in a circle, we don't use the word perimeter. Instead of perimeter, we are using circumference. Which word we are using?
Circle.
Circumference. Right?
Circumference.
Circumference. So what is the circumference of circle? It is 2 pi r. What is the circumference? 2 pi r.
R.
Please remember this formula. Okay. Now you can see what is the perimeter of triangle. In a triangle, we have three sides, and for finding the perimeter, we have to add this three side. So
Yes.
A plus B plus C. Are you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now just I am explaining you one another shape. So just you clear all the concept. For example, you know very well, whenever you draw a half circle it is known as semicircle. Okay, now tell me if the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So what is the circumference of semicircle?
1 pi
Only
R.
pi r? Only pi r. Why? Because of complete circle is equal to 2 pi r. So half circle is equal to pi r. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you know very well if I join this line, it is a center point. So this line is known as diameter. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So diameter means 2r. Diameter is twice then its radius. So diameter means 2r. So what is the circumference of this figure now? Otherwise, what is the perimeter of this closed figure? So it is pi r and plus 2r. So the circumference or perimeter of this closed figure is pi r plus 2r. I hope you all are getting this formula.
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no?
Yes.
Okay, now write down this all the formula fast. 4a, 2a plus 2b, 4a, 2a plus 2b, and if the triangle having three sides A, B, and C, so what is the circumference? Sorry, perimeter A plus B plus C. Now write down this all the formula. Hurry up, boys.
Sir, written.
Okay, now write down the formula of semicircle and this closed figure. Circumference of this closed figure is pi r plus 2r. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r and circumference of semicircle is pi r. Write down these three more formula. Written all of you?
Yes, sir, written.
Okay. Now we are starting our exercise. Okay, now you can see some formula given here. We have to match, right? For example, what is the area of rectangle?
A into B.
Very good. So the last answer, right? What is the area of square?
A into A.
Into D.
Very good. What is the area of triangle?
B into H.
No, beta. It is 1 by 2 base
1
into
by 2
height.
B into H.
Very good. And what is the area of parallelogram?
B into H.
Very good.
B
And what
into
is the
H.
area of circle?
B square.
Pi square.
Pi b square. Very good.
Pi.
Because of b is radius, right? If we have radius
Yes.
as given r, so we have, what is the area? Pi r square. Now we can see some question here given for perimeter. Okay, so you can see in first figure the length is 14 centimeter and the breadth is 7 centimeter, right? So what is the
Yes, sir.
perimeter? Here given that the answer, sorry, no, it is area, sorry. Match the following figures with their respective area in this box. Okay, so three figure is given. First figure is parallelogram, second figure is semicircle, and third figure is triangle, right? Now tell me what is the area of parallelogram? Base into height, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
B into H. So it means 14 sevens are 98. So 98 centimeter square is the area of parallelogram. Are you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me area of circle, pi r square. Yes or no?
Yes,
What is
sir.
the area of square? Pi r square? Sorry, area of circle.
Pi
Okay, pi r square. So what is the area of semicircle? So half area, pi r square by 2. So pi r square by 2, we are do the calculation here. If the area of circle is pi r square, what is the area of semicircle? 1 by 2 pi r square. Now put the value here, given that the radius as 7, right? Now solve this. 7 7 will be cut. 11 2s are 22. Now we have to multiply it only. 11 7s are 77. So the area of semicircle is 77 centimeter square. Now what is the area of triangle? 1 by 2 base into height. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 by 2 base into height. So here base is 14 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter. So what is the area? We are finding here 1 by 2 base into height. So 1 by 2 into base is 14 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter. So 2 sevens are 14 and 7 sevens are 49. So your answer is 49 centimeter square. Are you getting this all the thing? How can we solve this? Yes or
Sir.
no? Okay. So today just I am giving you first two questions. Okay. And then after the next lecture, we will do this all the questions. There are 5 questions in this question, this exercise. Right? Now I am starting exercise 11.1. Please be careful. Listen me. And if you have any doubt, then ask me. Okay. First question is, a square and a rectangular field with measurement as given in figure have the same perimeter. Which field has a large area? Okay, here given that a square and a rectangle having same perimeter with given measurement. What is the given measurement? Square having 60 centimeters, 60 meter side, and the rectangle having 80 meter length. Okay. Now please tell me, if the side of a square is 60 meter, then what is the perimeter of square? 4 into 60. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
So it means 240 meter is the perimeter of square.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now it is given that the perimeter of square and rectangles are equal. So it means perimeter of a rectangle is also 240 meter. Yes
Yes.
or no? Okay. And we know very well the property of rectangle. The opposite sides are equal.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it means the perimeter of a rectangle is 2a plus 2b is equal to also 240 meter, because of the perimeter of rectangle and squares is equal.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now 2a plus 2b, in which the value of b is given 80 meter, is equal to 240.
Yes, sir.
So 2a plus 160 is equal to 240. So 2a
Yes.
is equal to 160. We are subtracting from 240. So we get 2a is equal to 80. And a is equal to 80 divided by 240. Right? So rectangle having breadth as 40 meter. Now here our question is not completed. We have to say them which field having large area. So we have to find the area of these two figures. For example, what is the area of square? What is the area of square? A into A. Yes or no? Boys,
Yes, sir.
what is the area of square?
A into A.
Very good. So 60 into 60, the area is 3600 meter square. Please don't forget to write down the unit. Okay, here the dimension is given in meter So we are finding area in meter square. Now we have to find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle means A into B. The measurement of A is 40 meter and measurement of B is 80 meter. So 40 into 80 means 3200. 4 8 is 32 and 32 meters square. Now you can easily compare these two area of square and area of rectangle. Which field having large area?
Square.
Square having large
Square.
area. So in last we are writing here, hence square having large area. Are you getting the question number 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you can see question number 2. Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurement as shown in a figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of 55 rupees per meter square. Now you can see it is the house project of Mrs. Kaushik, right?
Yes,
You
sir.
can see in this plot, exit in middle, house constructed, right? And
Yes,
around
sir.
the house, we have to develop a garden. So we have to find the cost of garden. How can we find? Please see here in a live board. Just I am explaining you. 1 minute. Okay. Now given figure is okay. It is garden. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We have to find the cost of developing the garden. So for this, first of all, we have to find the area of garden. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please tell me here given dimension is 25 meters square plot and 15 into 20 the house. So we are writing here the 25 meters square plot and in which the dimension is given 20 meter and 15 meter for the house. Now we have to find the area of garden. Now tell me, area of garden is equal to area of square plot.
Yes, sir.
First of all, we are finding area of square plot minus area of house. Yes or no? Then we get area of garden. You can see here in a figure. First of all, we are finding this whole area of square plot, right? Then
Yes.
after we can subtract the area of house because of we are finding area of garden.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now area of square plot is A into A minus area of house is, for example, B into C. Okay, now area of square, so in which the value of A is given 25 into 25 minus B into C means the dimension for the house is 15 into 20. So 25 into 25, 625. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Minus 15 twos are 300. Okay. Now subtract this to 625 minus 300. We get
325.
325 meters square as area of garden. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to find the cost. So cost is given as 55 rupees per 1 meter square. So here the area is 325 meters square. So if you want to find the cost, what we have to do? We have to multiply 55 into 325. Now multiply these two things and tell me 55 into 325. Please fast.
17,865.
17,865.
No, sir. 875. Sorry.
875
Yes, sir.
rupees, right? 17,875 is the total cost for making or developing a garden. Are you getting these two questions? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now write down these two questions fast.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now in next lecture we will do more questions regarding to the area and perimeter. And this chapter is very easy. Just you have to clear all the concept, all the formulas, and do the quick calculation. Okay, write down now these two questions.
The best I can do it. God is always with me. I am winner. Today is my day.
Written all of you boys.
Yes, sir.